Hello friends, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how you can set vendor commission system in your admin panel for the vendor. Let's go to your website, log into admin panel. Now click search for vendor settings. Here it is, vendor manage. Here you will find all the vendor list. Here you will find all the vendor list, and you can add vendor from admin panel as well. Here you will find the vendor settings. From here you can enable disable vendor registration, so you can enable disable vendor email verifications. Also you can set order item, limit item per limit. You can set limit for the vendor, how much order he can get from the client. You can set the Firebase server key, which is actually a push notification support for the vendor mobile app. Similarly, if you check, you can set the commission for the vendors. Click this vendor commission. Now you will set an options for the vendor system. See, you can set a fixed amount, how much you will charge your vendor whenever he get any product order. So you can set the commission type as a fixed amount or the percentage. Whatever you will select, it will apply into the vendor order amount. So also you can set individual commission settings for individual vendor. If you wish, you can do that. If you want to select for the a different commission for the particular vendor, you can just click here and set a percentage for that vendor. If you click on update vendor, it will update automatically. You will see these changes in the vendor list. You can select options here to see all the vendor informations. You can update them from here as well. Addresses, ship info, bank informations they have provided. So this is all for the vendor settings. Thank you so much for watching.